More videos are coming up of ongoing war for inside or low for Imo State. No be small thing, no. They say that hope Uzodinma don't choose war over his own people. Now come they ask wetin dey happen. They say that as we dey talk right now, they join force still go back since 3 days now for inside or sumo side go dey shoot for inside that way. Now come say this one don red though, and this Biafra Liberation Army don release a video wey e show as they take dey shoot for inside that area, but we no see the people no. But however, we go still bring the update go show our people make they know wetin dey go on. Okay, my wonderful people, let's go and find out wetin dey happen for that area for inside Osumo. Yeah, welcome back to Balabas Gist. Today na the first time we dey come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. We still dey here dey bring you update back to back as e dey hot. The update wey dey reach our table right now, they say that that the Biafra Liberation Army no be small gwaga with the Nigeria Army and joint force together. They say as we dey talk right now, they try to take over that camp, to enter inside that camp wey dey for Sumo, wey belong to Biafra Liberation Army and resistance fighter and others. But that camp has been a tough place for them to enter. Now they even self the information we don't get be say na 3 DSS don't buy for the matter for inside that area. But they say they still dey battle as we dey talk. This one dey happen na. But let's watch the video together before we will come back. Come continue.
Na so. Good afternoon, wonderful people of Biafra. The war is very interesting. It's very interesting. Very, very interesting. Yes. As you know, that this is 4 days since we have been battle with them. But my joy is that no matter how many there are, the ground of Biafra will swallow all of them. They are falling. In mass. Falling in mass. As I always are showing them. The more you come, the more you will fall. The harder you come, the harder you will fall. We are not afraid of them. And we cannot lose this much. This is our ground. The owner of the land know themselves. The ground know us, and we know our ground. No stranger can come here and take over our land. So, yes, the war is going on. No rest, day and night. You can hear the sound. Now water. The only enemy go collect. The one that shoot us, now then go see collect. The one we shoot them, now then go see collect. You understand so? So far, 3 more times I've been broke down. And don't and come out. But no wala. We are here to finish waiting our forefathers started. And they know nothing can stop us. Stay tuned. Don't be afraid. We are winning the zoo. The terrorists cannot come to our territory and overwhelm us. It have never happened. Not now, not ever. Not now, not ever. They are falling. They are calling for backup. Anambra are fully joining them. Fully trooped from Anambra, more than 2,000 soldiers. I joined them. This is Anambra now. Imo State don't rest because they don't collect woto. So Anambra now is trying to see if they can calm the ground. But they cannot calm the ground because the ground is very, very hot. You can hear it. Feel it. I want you to feel the sound. This is the music. The sound of the music. They think they can come and kill us. The ground will swallow all of them. Yes. Stay tuned while we are still on the battlefield. But go and tell the world that The zoo and the Britain have come to kill the indigenous people of Biafra. And the one ending dying. But let the world know so that they will not change the narrative. With our land, and then finance come. That's so in be. You can hear them. Ibwa, Ibwa, Ibwa. I don't want you to feel the sound, Simon. Eh? Yes, we never lost single soul for 4 days. Now, we never lost soul. But then they die like sand. Now then they shoot like and then they shoot like mad dog. Mad dog. Our own now 1 bullet, 3 soldiers down. 1 bullet, 3 soldiers down. They don't know what thing they kill themselves. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Now so. Boo 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 boo. Now water. Now water. Now water. Ooh, 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 ooh. Now so. Chideke, man. You know why they laugh? The reason why I'm laughing is that the way where they take come, is they no go last. We no go last with 2 days. They go just come wipe us out and gain the ground. Today na 4 day. Today na 4 day. And they see the struggle. They see the struggle. 4 days now, they see the struggle. Now then they call for backup. We never call for any backup. Oh. We never call for any backup. We never lost even single soul. Now then they call for backup. Now then they cry. Now then they lose. Now, make them wait. We are only dancing to their tune now. When we change our music, the world will see hear us. For now, we are just dancing to their music. Make them they shoot. Now then they shoot too. Our own now, when they don't shoot, we find 1 or 3 or 4, 5 person kill. Their body go rest. Then go shoot. We kill 10. Their body go rest. Then go shoot. We kill 20. Their body go rest. I just want to update you. For now, let me be focused. I will see come in the evening to update you. I will just want you to feel the sound. So now that you feel the sound, don't think that nothing is happening. There is a full-blown war going on in Imo State right now. Full-blown war going on in Imo State right now. So don't be relent. Everybody in other places that is not happening should be aware, should be at alert. It can reach you at any point of a time. It can reach your area at any given time. Don't lose focus. Don't lose focus. Just remain focused. Know that this war will not just end here. We are going to escalate it. Simply mean we are going to spray it. We are going to spray it because we are like erosion. This is where it started. We will spray it out. Yes. By the time they go start running, we will pursue them, see their end point. Then they shoot this one. Yes, and they shoot. When they don't shoot finish, we start our own. When you don't see them shoot like this, no say many don't fall. So now for them to carry their dead body, then we'll shoot like that, like mad dog. Mad dog. We don't give them one. As that one just sounds, so now we shoot that one. And then don't collect. So when you hear bra 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 bra, many don't fall, then just they shoot to carry their dead body. And we tell them, say, we not going to stop you from packing your dead body. Pack your dead body. We don't want any rotten body in our street. So We are here to end up what our fathers start. What they thought is not what they are saying. And they will never, ever imagine what is about to happen. I hope you are getting report. Soludo, I hope you are getting report. Tunumbu, I believe you are getting report. I hope you people are getting report. I believe you are getting report. Because at the end, you see use your mouth and say, "Oh, hey, Biafra." Remain tuned and remain focused. Let me push forward.
Yeah, my people, no be small thing, no. As you don't hear am, na so we still dey here now. They observe wetin dey go on. This one dey happen this afternoon, and I will say mo bring am come show una more dey hear and for with una own ear. Know wetin dey go on for inside Osumo, for inside Olo. Those of you now wey dey that side, more na still update us of wetin dey happen for inside comment section. And make sure say you share this video and follow this page. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates as e dey hot.